What's up, guys? We are back and it is the next morning. You can't see anything through those windows because they're shut. Yeah, I woke up real early today. Speaking of early, my dad's supposed to be here. But instead I woke up mad early. Yeah. And I woke up on my top bed. Ooh, finally. So guys, today I said we might do a tour and all of that. So yeah, but let's check on my little birdie. We're gonna take her out today and take her with us and see what she has to say. Cause she was always here. Look, like I'm serious. Let's take her out. Yay! I'm free! I'm free! I'm free! I'm free! What the heck? You can't see her. I'm free! I'm free! I'm free! Finally! Alright, I never showed her her house. Stay right there. Stay right there. Okay, so, alright, we have to turn around so she won't see. Okay, so this is, something new that I never did, but, I said that I would have a bird house. You serious? Birdhouse for me? Yeah. For her, she has these cute little doors. Can I see? Can I see? No, it's your surprise. You're gonna move into it, you know. Yay! If she has a pet, let's take this into the light. If she has a pet, she gets to put it in there, and she has a little window. Can't see. She has no door. So basically, she can't open doors. Then we have washer thing, but basically that's not gonna work out. So inside we have like a little bit of flowers, and here is a door that I really like out of all. Let's show her. Oh, and I have this mini car. I don't know if she's gonna fit in it, but let's bring this into the light. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Okay, goodness. All right, come here. All right, wait a minute. I'm gonna make you guys hear the action. Alright, so hey guys, we are back with a opening set. Dang it. But check the other video. I'll link it in the description. It should be right here around this little box, but right here. Up in this corner right there. Right there. Alright. So when we're done with this video, make sure to go back and click right there so you can see the opening of her new birdhouse that Melendez just sent us. And of course it came with this. The lights don't work, they didn't put batteries, but we'll link the description right here for 2 more new sets, 3 more, no, 2 for the bird, and see, which you can see in that corner, there's a little stub. Go, I'm gonna leave 3 descriptions in the right in this description box. First one, see our video with her elevator that she is loving. Like, oh my gosh, she barely can fit anywhere and she barely can do that. We didn't trash it, but see the incident that my Barbie dolls, not Barbie dolls, let's see. Hey, no, don't call your doll. Don't. Alright. Don't carry. Yeah, she acts like a baby. Don't carry me. Ugh. I don't want to be on screen. So, fine. If you look at the screen right now, I'm gonna break your head. Fine. It's not her. There's like this thing inside of her that I'm trying to freaking get out, and which is not her. Yeah, stop that. Hey, Josie.
Give me my pop socket.
No, that's not your pop socket.
Whose is it then? Give it to me.
It's not your freaking pop socket.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Get off,
My
Destiny.
freaking friend gave it to me.
Or mine, because mine's not there. Mommy! Disney took my pop socket. No! My friend did not lend it to her. It's mine. Give it.
There, go ahead and get it. I'll break it if you want.
Yeah, I'll buy you that one
You
in you want me to order that?
Yeah, Mommy. Don't step on me. Mommy, she stepped on my freaking leg.
I wasn't stepping on your leg.
Yes, you did. You literally went on my leg and then
Are you
you walked
lying?
off. Yes. No, I'm not lying.
Exactly.
I'm not lying. You literally stepped on my leg right here and it hurt.
I didn't do that.
You did. Freaking not sorry because she cares. She doesn't care me. She doesn't love me. And she doesn't even want to talk to me because she doesn't love me and she doesn't think that. So take care of me because she basically tries to become my sister. Oh, I can see from your reaction. You smack me, you step on me, and you try to suffocate me.
Alright, you let her go, Destiny.
Oh, how does I get She suffocates me, Mommy.
Oh my God! Yeah, you're gonna let her suffocate me then.
I tried to get out, but I can't. Can you sleep here and not bother me inside the room?
For now, she can be here.
She's usually downstairs.
No, Destiny, everybody has their room. So enjoy the room while you're over there.
Love you, Mommy. I love you. I love you, Josie. She didn't. Thank you. Sorry, guys. That was a big. But let's get back. Oh, what do you need? What do you need? Oh, I didn't do anything. Goodness. What did I do? You broke into the house. Yeah, because I needed to brush my teeth. I told you not to.
That's hard.
But I brushed my teeth. You weren't Get out of here. I know I treat my dolls bad. But let's get back to this. Leave in the description. I'll show you everything. I have no time. Because I have no time. I don't want to break this thing like I usually do. Let's just wrap up the white. She barely can touch this. I broke off the door. Sorry person who's listening that made me this, bought me this, but I broke this door here because as you can see, she has no hands. Yeah. I have no hands. I have no hands. Please don't judge me. I have no hands. I have no hands. I have no hands. I have no hands. Don't judge. I have no hands. I have no hands. I have no hands. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Oh, sorry. She's off. I have no hands. I have no hands. Don't judge me. Huh? What? I have no hands. I have no hands. Don't judge me. Okay. Basically, she doesn't want to talk. But we have this. No, I did not break this through. She has no arms, but she can push. This is a push door. We don't have anyone to live with her, but here it is. Let's try. And this is the inside. But basically, all right. Come on. Oh, pink, my favorite. There's like a escape door, but she literally can't fit there. Oh, oh, I can fit through the door. This is what I tell you. The front door wasn't a push door. Oh my gosh. I like this. Ah. Oh my gosh, I can't jump. She can fly up each floor, but when she's tired, she just stays on the floor. Can this be my room here? Please, please, please? Yeah, but sometimes, if you're not behaving, cage time. Oh, no, no, no. I don't want to go to cage time. I don't want to. Okay. And then the last floor. I don't like this floor. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. Let me out. Ah! Let's try this. Oh no. A push door. This doesn't look like a push door. Oh. That's what it does. Hello. Hello. I see everybody from here. Oh my gosh, I love it. I want it. I want it. Fly out. I can't fly out. No, not there. I'm glad that, because once we had this, we did not link this in the description. I never videotaped this. But a long time ago, I had this little birdie here. And she had this big thing like this. And it had this big thing. And she literally, this is how far she can go. And she was literally out. Put me in, I'm cold. Yeah, she gets cold. And what happened? She flew away. And we were literally outside and she flew away. Straight up. But at least I had a string on her. But it didn't turn out great. She kind of started suffocating and I had to let the thing go. And she kind of almost went to space. She started suffocating. And then she came down. And then guess what? Wee! Wee! And I catched her. Because she couldn't fly. And her birds. So what we had to do, both of her arms were so sore, we had to pain, do this, and it kind of didn't work out well. Designed on both, you have to give her new. It was really, really painful for her, but for the last subject, not really a lot, but we have a lot more stuff. This does not fly. It's a regular one. I just came with the package. As you can see, whoever bought me this, you are such a bad person. You know, I bet this person or he or she knows. I can't fit in it. I can only fit. The only spot I can fit is part of my freaking butt. Ah, it stings. I hate this person. Go into my house. You get back. Get your butt back here. Why? We have more stuff to do. Well, it's the end. But see our next video. That will be later in a half hour. See you next time. Any words to say? Any words to say? Go and link the description and see what happened next time. And what are we gonna do next? We're gonna furnish your house. Yay, furnish my house! And we're gonna delete the car. Actually, no. See you in the next video. Bye! Oh my gosh, I gotta go to my house. Get your butt back here. What? You gotta buy stuff. You got to. I'm gonna be in my house. It's a surprise, remember? Oh yeah.